You love without counting the cost. You love without choosing only the beautiful parts. You love the entire person.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop her. I'm gonna work harder.
You surrender your weaknesses so that the other can lift you. You'll be able to feel and love your beautiful parts, but also the sharp edges. And that is what you call love.
I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving. I'm a survivor. I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna work harder. I'm a survivor. I'm gonna make it. I will survive. Keep on surviving.
Pagtapos nitong ganap na ito, bagong paglalakbay ulit ang gagawin natin. Alam natin na hindi lahat magiging masaya. Magkakaroon din ng mga challenges. Alam ko naman na kaya natin yun. Asahan mo, support ako sa'yo all the way.
That's precisely what I plan to do. And you
To my dearest Dada, you look so foggy today.
be right. Buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. Will forever be.
It's been a long wait for the both of us, and we've been through challenges and even heartaches along the way, but look at us now, being married and saying our vows.
New chapter na from classmate to soulmate. I love you.
I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me?
Pangako na magiging matibay at matatag ako bilang partner mo, tulad ng pagiging matatag mo sa pagsasama natin all these years.
How many girls in the world can make me feel?
So alam mo Dada, whenever we have dates and when we do errands together, your reaction, your perception, and how you respond to people and situations made me realize that, oh my gosh, you deserve me. Charot.
These days when I get my money right. Buy you every.
I may not be the perfect husband agad-agad, pero tatry ko, promise. And promise na nandito lagi ako sa tabi mo, mapaganda man o pangit. Parehas natin naharapin yan. Sisiw lang sa atin yun.
You marry.
I am so lucky and thankful that God paired me with a wonderful human being whom I am excited to start a family with. So may God bless us with beautiful and wonderful children in the near future.
And if I lost everything, in my heart it means nothing. 'Cause I have you, girl, I have you.
Ika nga sa kanta ni Ebe Dancel, ikaw ang nag-iisang tiyak sa 1,000 duda. Mahal na mahal kita like to infinity and beyond. And sige na, mas mahal kita kay Uchi Yasas.
I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? I say, will you marry me? Taking on my knees. I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you?
Ikaw yung pinili at ibinigay niya para sa akin. Alam ko, simula noon pa na ang pinakamalalaking biyaya ng Panginoon ay yung mga taong nakapaligid sa akin. Like, meron akong pamilya na mahal ako dahil simula pagkabata, mapahanggang ngayon, ay nandyan sila para gabayan ako. Ikaw na lagi akong pinagsisilbihan, ikaw na ibinibigay ang gusto ko basta kaya mo, at ikaw na siguradong akong mahal na mahal ako. Kahit di ako perfect magsaing ng kanin. Dahil simula sa araw na ito ay magiging mag-asawa na tayo at magsisimula ng mabuhay ng magkasama araw-araw, ipinapangako ko na araw-araw ang pinakamasayang araw ng buhay mo. I promise to rewatch One Piece and Naruto over and over hanggang pagtanda. Mahal na mahal.
Wake up every morning with you in my bed.
Yomar, you will now kiss your wife, Manilyn.
Plan to do